Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, we did make a 50% Fibonacci bounce from the Fibonacci extension, that is, of the previous impulsive wave projected out the bottom of the last correction. But we definitely do not have engulfing down. We definitely do not have a lower high, and we definitely do not have a break of structure down. So the trend is still very heavily up. This little push down could possibly just be a pullback within a uptrend. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up because if the market is going to continue to trend, then every pullback is likely just a correction to the last impulse. So we have one down, probably an A. We have a very sideways corrective action on Friday, probably a wave B. There's a good chance that this wave C could already be over. I mean, price did go down. It went kind of in between the 61 and the 78, but it really wasn't able to close below the 61. So I would say that respected the 61%. If it breaks structure, which it looks like it is trying to, then it's probably going to end up pushing up. It's probably going to at least go back up to the previous highs, and who knows, it could push beyond the 50% up to the next Fibonacci level, like the 61% Fib, before we see any significant pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.